Hi, hello there, it's Void here. Don't worry, I'm not going to keep you for too long. I just thought it was a better idea to just leave a little voice message here in the video instead of going completely silent for the entirety of it. But this is one of the commissions that I did. I got permission from the person that commissioned me to record it and post it, but I cannot believe that I have gone so long without saying anything about it. If you want to commission me, you can. There's going to be a link in the description of this video and also a link in my channel to my card so that you guys can look at the prices. You can contact me through email or you can just fill up the form that I have in there and we can talk, yeah. So yeah, if you guys want to commission me, you can. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Leave a like if you want, or don't let me tell you what to do. Anyways, I'm a bounce. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!